I started playing the piano when I was about 14 years old. As a boy, young boy living on Beaver Island, I listened to the old timers play, and I always got an ear for the music. And I'd be going by the pubs or the bars on the way to a movie up the street when I was a kid, and I'd hear the piano going in the bar, and I'd sit on the front porch and listen to the old timers play. Some of the fiddles going, and guitars and mouth organs, and I just liked that piano. So I went to an old folks' home where a friend of mine had a piano, and I sat down and I just started playing it and tried to listen to it and listen to it and listen to it, what I was doing, and all of a sudden each note fell in place, and it just went by ear. So I listened to a tune, I had a tune in my mind, and I started playing it, one finger at a time, going on the notes. And then I learned the chords. Then I put the chords together with two hands, and got the melody going on the right hand, and the left hand I got the chord, the timing going. All of a sudden I was playing a tune. And that's the way it went. I played for years. I've been playing on Beaver Island for all my life. I played for dances here all my life, for about 50-some years.
Hello, folks, and what you're listening to is Ed Palmer of Beaver Island. Now, I know these are videos that I'm just showing you some drone shots I got of Beaver Island over the last couple winters, but a couple years ago, we lost one of our local great islanders. He was known for making sure everybody was happy. He was known for being a great family man and a great community man, but he was also known for his brand of local music. And so in this video, and the next couple of just the aerial drone shots I got of Beaver Island, I got a hold of Ed's wife, and Ed's no longer with us anymore, unfortunately, but I got a hold of Ed's wife and got permission to play a couple of his songs over the next couple videos. He truly was an island treasure. So out there in the world, if you're listening to this, I hope you enjoy this music. You don't hear music like this anymore.